Hey, two legit reviews here. Quick heads up. If you use our links to check out products, we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It's how we keep bringing you honest reviews. Today, we're looking at something that could seriously change how you cook at home, in your dorm, your RV, or anywhere that doesn't have a full kitchen. It's the Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop. This is the Nuwave Flex. It's a portable induction burner with a 10-inch shatter-proof ceramic glass surface, 45 temperature settings from 100 to 500 degrees, and it comes bundled with a 4-quart ceramic non-stick pan with lid. At $165, it's not the cheapest portable burner out there, but let's find out if it's worth it. So why induction instead of a regular hot plate? Traditional electric or gas stoves waste about 70% of their energy heating the air around your pot. Induction transfers 85 to 90% of its energy directly into the cookware. That means faster heating, more precise temperature control, and a cooler kitchen. The surface itself doesn't get hot, only the pan does. This is perfect for dorm rooms where open flames and hot coils aren't allowed. It's great for RVs and camping setups. If you're in a small apartment with a terrible stove, this gives you a precision cooking surface. Or maybe you just need an extra burner when you're cooking a big meal. It's lightweight and portable, so you can take it anywhere there's an outlet. Let's talk features. 45 temperature settings from 100 to 500 degrees in 10-degree increments. There are 6 presets for common cooking tasks. The 6.5-inch heating coil sits under 10.25 inches of shatter-proof ceramic glass. It has 3 wattage settings, 600, 900, and 1500 watts. And the safety features are solid. Auto shut-off when the timer ends, and it won't even turn on without cookware on the surface. Here's what sets this apart from other induction burners. It comes with a 4-quart, healthy ceramic non-stick, everyday pan and lid. This isn't some cheap afterthought. The pan is induction ready, meaning it's specifically designed to work with the magnetic field. You could use your own cast iron or magnetic stainless steel, but this pan is matched to the burner's coil size for optimal performance. With over 1,500 reviews and a 4.3-star average, this thing has serious social proof. 69% of reviewers gave it 5 stars. People love how fast it heats up, how precise the temperature control is for things like deep frying and simmering, and how safe it feels compared to gas or coil burners. Multiple reviewers mention using it hundreds of times over years, and it's still going strong. Nothing's perfect, so let's talk about the negatives. 8% of reviews are 1 star, and the main complaints are about temperature accuracy. Some users report that the actual temperature doesn't match the display, especially at higher settings. A few people had issues with the pan's non-stick coating wearing over time. And remember, this only works with magnetic cookware. If your favorite pots are aluminum or copper, they won't work without an induction interface disc. On reliability, the signs are positive. The shatter-proof ceramic glass is rigorously tested to handle intense heat cycles without cracking. There are no heating elements to burn out like traditional hot plates. Multiple long-term reviewers report 3+ years of regular use without issues. The 1-star complaints about temperature accuracy appear to be quality control outliers, not a systemic design flaw. At 69%, 5 stars with over 1,500 reviews, the odds are in your favor. Setup is dead simple. Take it out of the box, put it on a flat stable surface, plug it in, put your pan on top, and press power. Select your temperature or preset and you're cooking. The control panel is intuitive with a digital display showing your current temperature, timer, and wattage. No apps, no Wi-Fi setup, no accounts to create. Just plug in and cook. So is the Nuwave Flex worth $165? If you need a portable cooking solution for a dorm, RV, or small space, absolutely. The included pan makes it a complete package. The safety features alone justify the price over cheaper hot plates. And compared to buying a separate induction burner and quality pan, you're actually saving money. The temperature accuracy concerns are real but appear to affect a small minority of units. The link is in the description if you want to check it out. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment with what you'd cook on this thing, and subscribe for more real product reviews. This is Too Legit Reviews. See you next time.